Hi everyone, welcome back to Health Nut Nutrition. My name is Nikki and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 green smoothies. And these are actually smoothies that I make all the time. Basically, Monday through Friday, I make a green smoothie with me to take on my way to work. I have a long commute, so I love to just take something that's easy to grab and go, and smoothies are definitely one of them. And I thought I would just share with you guys like a variety of green smoothies for kind of the St. Patrick's Day. I know a lot of people are gonna be drinking other green things, but I thought I would share with you guys some healthy green smoothies to help kickstart your St. Patty's Day or just, you know, spring. These are great spring detox smoothie recipes. So if you guys are interested in finding out my top 3 green smoothie recipes, then just keep watching. For my detox green smoothie, you're going to need spinach, cucumber, parsley, ginger, lemon juice, medjool dates, banana, some filtered water, almond milk, and a couple ice cubes if you like your smoothie extra cold. In a high-speed blender, I'm using my Vitamix here, which I actually have a coupon down below for free shipping. You're gonna throw in all your ingredients starting with the liquid first. It just helps it blend a little bit better. I love this blender because it actually has a setting for smoothies and juices, so you can just set it and like leave it alone and your smoothie is gonna be the perfect creaminess. I love it. So I just stuff my Vitamix really full until I think everything is gonna explode, and then I put the lid on and blend. And the full recipe and all the exact measurements will be available on my blog, healthnutnutrition.ca. I will have a link down below. Once your smoothie is nice and blended, go ahead, serve it in a glass and enjoy it for breakfast, as a snack, dessert. I don't know if this one's a dessert one, but either way, it's delicious. Next up, we have my strawberry and banana green smoothie. You're going to need some spinach and kale, banana, frozen strawberries, medjool dates, Hawaiian spirulina powder, coconut water, almond milk, but any nut milk will do, and a couple ice cubes if you want it cold. And same thing, you're gonna throw everything into your high-speed blender, starting with the liquid and then adding in all the rest of the ingredients. Blend everything until nice and smooth. And as you can see, all these smoothies are gonna get very green, especially this one with the spirulina powder. It really shows up in the smoothie in the final product. So once your smoothie is blended, go ahead, serve it in a glass, and you can drink this right away. And I actually love my smoothies served fresh right out of the blender. I just think they taste the best that way. Next up, we have my pear ginger mojito green smoothie. You're going to need some baby spinach, banana, ginger, pear, lime juice, fresh mint, hemp hearts, coconut milk, coconut water, and some ice cubes if you want it extra cold. And then starting with your liquid, place everything into a high-speed blender. Go ahead and pop on the lid securely and blend until smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, go ahead and serve right away. This flavor is such a unique, fun twist on a mojito. I love it. It's so fresh and perfect for spring, which is right around the corner. So those were my top 3 green smoothie recipes at the moment. I'm absolutely loving all 3 of them. I alternate all the time. I drink these like every day, and they really make a difference in my skin, my energy levels. I don't get that like 4 p.m. slump in the day. It keeps your blood sugar balanced throughout the whole day. I can't recommend green smoothies enough. It's such an easy way to just get more raw greens into your day without having to sit there and eat a whole salad. If you don't like salads, try green smoothies. They're so good for you, and you don't have to have them just for breakfast. You can have them as a snack. You can have them for lunch, maybe with like something else on the side, but just try incorporating them into your day, and I promise you, you will notice a difference like after just like a week of doing it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You can do so by clicking right here, so you'll be subscribed to my channel and you won't miss out on any future videos. And I think that's it for today, guys. Have a fabulous St. Patty's Day, and I hope you guys try out these recipes. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!